Hi, my name is Anshu Tarule. This is my business portfolio. I'm doing digital marketing course in Trans-IT. So this is the first page of my portfolio, table of contents. This is my second page of the portfolio, our business number, our email ID as well as our address. This is about us. Our business is handmade crochet products, like we make keychains, flowers, bags and many more products. You can read this on. This is the third page of our portfolio. This is my visiting card. This is the brochure of our business. This is the hoarding which have shown the products which we sell. This is the newspaper ad. This is the GMB profile. This is our YouTube channel. You can search on YouTube and you can see all the videos of our products. This is our website. This is our Google search engine result page. This is our standee. This is our letterhead. This is get in touch with us photo, and you can touch with us on WhatsApp, email ID as well as on Instagram. You can order from anywhere. Thank you.